Good morning, P1 students. Today is Tuesday and it's the 2nd of June 2020. So before we will talk about and review your assignment yesterday, I'm going to show you your homework for today. Okay, so this is your science activity book and I want you to open it to page 22. So this will be your assignment for today. So in this book, it says pushes and pulls. We know that push is you move something with force away from you, right? Away, where can you see me? Away from you. Push away from you. Pull closer or near you. So when you move things or pull things with force, then uh, pull is like this. So in this exercise, you can show that you understand about movement. So movement is moving from one place to another, just like this phone. This phone is in front of me, right? But if I want to move it behind the computer, then I'm gonna what? Pull it or push it a little bit. So where the movement is from here to there. So I'm like pushing it away from me right there. Okay, so movement is moving things or you or um, moving things from one place to another. All right, so in this activity, you are going to color only. So color only the children that are moving in this picture. So again, you are only going to color the the children who are moving. There's movement, like they move right from one place to another. So let's see. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Let me turn up the light. Oh, all right, so you can see. So I'm just gonna narrate it, and then you can open your book and see which one I was talking about. Okay, so this is a picture of a mom and a daughter, and the mom is swinging the kid, right? And there's a dad and a son. They're riding. The son is riding a bike, and dad is helping him move the bike. And here, there's a boy sliding, and then there are here eating. So again, movement, move from one place to another. Okay, sometimes when we eat, it's like movement, only some parts of your body, but not all of your body, right? So here, boys talking, and here they're playing, I can't remember the name of this game. So they're jumping over the back of the other children, and then this one they're playing soccer, and this one they're just talking, and this one listening to the music. So again, you are only going to color the pictures that shows movement, that there's a movement that they can move from one place to the other. Okay, not just staying where they are. All right, thank you, and this will be your homework. So for today, let's go over your assignment. So the assignment was that you are going to circle the correct force. So force again, it's like moving things with like pressure like this, with force. Because like this pen cannot move until I apply force to it, right? So it cannot move by itself. So force are applied to things. Okay, so we can push or we can pull some things in order for it to move. All right, so here we have 6 questions or 6 pictures, and then we are going to circle. I don't know if I can do some, if I can add something, but um, I will just do like this, okay? Just for example, if the answer is this one. Okay, for number 1, the boy is pushing or pulling? Is it push or pull? The answer is push. So this is the answer, push. Let me see if I can add color. Maybe this one. All right. So the answer is, oopsie. All right, so I'm not really familiar with like adding something on it. Okay, so just, so this is push. So this is push. The answer is this one. Okay, how about this guy? The guy is doing some, like this is similar to monkey bars. So is he pushing or pulling, or is it push or pull? This is pull. Very good. How about the girl? She is doing some climbing using a rope. So this is pull, right? How about the girl and the dog? The girl is pushing or pulling the dog. So the girl push the dog. How about the spray? The spray, what are you going to do with the spray? Are you going to pull it, or are you going to press it or push it in order for it to work? Push, right? And then the last one is the girl is, what does she do with her stroller? She is pushing or pulling the stroller. Is it push or pull? The girl is pulling. So the answer is pull. All right. That would be all. Thank you so much and enjoy your Tuesday. Goodbye.